Okay guys, so now we're getting into solving equations, which is probably the first thing you're used to learning as a algebraist or studying algebra. So let's do a couple of these. We go 1, we have 7x minus 5 is equal to 72. I'm sure you've all done this before, you just add the 5. 7x is equal to 77. Divide by 7, and x is equal to 11. Okay. If we keep going, we can do, let's do 3 now. 11x minus, notice the parentheses, 6x minus 5 equals 40. Then our goal is to separate the x's on the numbers, just the regular numbers. So let's remember to distribute this negative sign first. So we have 11x minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 40. 11x minus 6x is 5x. Plus 5 is equal to 40. Minus 5 minus 5. 5x is equal to 35, or x is equal to 7. Okay, so it's kind of just a game of getting the exponents on one side and the numbers on the other, and remembering all the order of operation kind of rules. Although, I guess you don't really follow them 100% of the time. Let's do number 9. We have 3x minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 5. So if we distribute, we have 3x minus 6 plus 7 is equal to, I'm doing this, 2x plus 10. Let's combine like terms on the same side. This is going to be 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 10. Minus 2x minus 2x. That's x plus 1 is equal to 10 minus 1, or x is equal to 9. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward so far. Let's do another, we'll do a bigger one, and then I'll do some of these rational ones at the bottom of the next video. I don't want to make these videos too long. So let's do, I don't know, what the heck, let's do 15. We have 25 minus 2 plus 5y minus 3 times y plus 2 is equal to negative 3 times 2y minus 5 minus 5y minus 1. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it so I can see it. Minus 3y plus 3. Okay, this one's going to take some work. So we're going to start inside the brackets. That's these things. This is going to be 25 minus, okay, so we're going to combine like terms and distribute. So we have 2 plus 5y minus 3y minus 6. Close the bracket, is equal to negative 3, 2y minus 5 minus, that's a 5y minus 5. This is a minus sign, by the way. Minus 3y plus 3. So far, so good. So let's combine like terms inside the brackets. So that's 25 minus 5y minus 3y is a 2y. 2 minus 6 is negative 4, is equal to negative 3. 2y minus 5 minus 5y and negative 3y is 2y. Negative 5 and 3 is negative 2. Okay, let's do the foiling here. So we have, we can get rid of these brackets now, by the way. 25 minus 2y. Oh, before we do that, we need to distribute these negatives. So this is minus 2y plus 4 now. Treat the brackets like parentheses if you get to that point, is equal to. That's a negative, we're just distributing, negative 6y plus 15. Minus 2y we're distributing, plus 2. Okay, we're almost there. So that's 29 minus 2y is equal to, we got negative 6y, negative 2y, that's negative 8y, plus 15 plus 2, that's positive 17. Let's add the 2y, and that's going to be 29 is equal to negative 6y plus 17. We minus the 17. And this is negative 6y is equal to, I think that's 212. Divide by negative 6. Negative 2 is equal to y. So that's basically the gist of this. I think a lot of you have probably done this many times before. If you haven't, just keep practicing. It's just a game. Combine like terms. If they're on the same side of the equal sign, just add them as is. If they're on different signs, then you add the opposite. Or subtract the opposite, whatever you need to do to get rid of it. If you want to check your answers, obviously you can plug whatever value you get. So if I take this negative 2, I could plug that into the original, and if it equals the same thing on both sides, then I know for sure this is good. But I'm pretty sure this is good because there are infinitely many answers that it could be if you did it wrong. And, well, maybe not infinitely, but I guess it depends on how wrong you did it. But anyways, we'll be doing rational equations here in a second, and then I think from there we will go on. One other thing to note, if you want to see these problems, they're on the very bottom of the first link on my website where it says notes. For this section, it says linear equations. I think the first thing you see is the old factoring stuff. That's the first couple pages, and then at the very bottom page is the linear equation stuff. So thank you guys. Videos are coming soon.